What's up, CompSci community? I'm back with day number 14 of my 100 Days of Code Challenge. Today I finished another module in Team Treehouse about the Flexbox model. So I actually learned a lot more about how to use Flexbox in CSS, including how to create a Flex container, as well as how to control the direction, the order, as well as the size of the Flex items. After that, I completed a guided practice on how to apply these concepts to an actual website. The first application of Flexbox was on the navigation bar, and we used various breakpoints to guide the flex of the navigation so that it's optimized for every single viewport. After that, I used the breakpoints as well as the flex property to turn the single column layout into a 2-column and even a 3-column layout, depending on the size of the viewport. And there were a few other minor things, but that's pretty much it, so I'm going to wrap this video up. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.